Hi everyone, welcome to another video. So today I'm very happy to share 6 products that I have been testing behind the scenes that I think are fabulous for our mature skin. And all the products are drugstore, and to some degree I am wearing them today. You know, I'm always on the hunt to try products that I think really work on our mature skin. We definitely have different needs as we're aging. So I like testing out products that aren't going to accentuate fine lines or using a lipstick that may not gravitate into the fine lines around our mouth. And 5 out of the 6 products are cruelty-free brands. I know I have several viewers out there that do like using cruelty-free products, so just an FYI. So before I get started with the products, I do want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mums out there. I'm not sure whether I'm going to be able to get this edited and out for Mother's Day. So in that regard, if I don't get it out, I will say a happy belated Mother's Day to everyone. I am filming this on the Saturday before Mother's Day, so I'm really going to try hard to get this edited and out, but there's always things that come up. And of course, tomorrow I am spending it with my family. So I just wanted to toss that in there. So the first product I want to talk about today is a lip mask. It has been out for several months now, but I've been really testing it out behind the scenes, gathering my thoughts on it. And I think you guys will really enjoy this if you haven't tried it yourself. It's the Covergirl Jammy Lip Sleeping Mask. There's so many lovely things about this product. One of the first things is I like how it's a non-touch lip mask. So the product comes out on the top. So what you do is you just have to twist the packaging and it just comes out the top. This actually reminds me of a Fenty Beauty one. She had one of these out, I'm going to say a few years ago. I don't know if she still has it. So I'll show you the shade because it actually comes out as a lavender color. Really does smell like lavender. This one I do specifically use at night as a sleeping mask, but I thought the packaging was super cute. Like it has all these little stars on it. Other sleep masks that I have used in the past, I either have to use my finger to apply it. And this one is actually a little bit more affordable than other brands I've tried. My lips feel quite smooth. This is a little bit of a thicker formula. It does have a vitamin E and shea butter in it. So definitely a product I would recommend for you if you love lip masks at night. This is a winner. Now, if you're somebody that likes to use an eyebrow tint to help lock your brows in place, the one that I've been really enjoying lately is the one by Maybelline, the Super Lock. So I normally just use an eyebrow pencil to fill in my brows, but I do have some days where I want a little bit extra in my brows. If I know I'm going to have like a really long day and I don't want them moving or budging or anything like that, this one does the trick. Now I prefer the clear shade because I've already used an eyebrow pencil. So I'm basically just looking for something to lock the hairs in place. So it's just like a little mini mascara brush, but it is a quick and easy way if you do like using a tint to throw some color into your like eyebrow hairs and go. So I'm just looking to put a little bit in. If you're somebody that doesn't have a lot of brow hair, then using the tinted version would probably work better for you. And the nice thing about this is it doesn't flake at all. I have used other brow waxes and I could see little flakes at the end of the day. And this formula in particular is great because it doesn't feel sticky or crusty. I've had other ones where if I go to touch my brows, they actually feel like hard and crunchy. So I don't like those ones. And easy to remove. I just use when I'm using my cleanser, it removes easily at the end of the night. So definitely a winner in my books. All right, next on my list is a color corrector. You know that I love trying different color correctors. I have quite dark pigmentation under my eyes. So I'm always testing out pink versions, peach versions, sticks, liquids, all sorts of different types. The one I've been really enjoying lately is the one by e.l.f. This is the Soft Glam Brightening Corrector, but it's in a pink shade. And honestly, I've been preferring this one over, there's a Maybelline, a pink one that I use. I think this one's way better. It gives just the right amount of brightness. That's one of the things I find with the Maybelline one, is the Maybelline one almost makes me too bright under the eye. But this one has been getting like top marks for me. You can see it's not too pink. It almost has like a bit of a peachy tone to it. But you can see it's not like overly bright. And then when I rub it in, you can see how it's making all those my veins disappear. because my veins do have like that bluey look to them. So it is what I am wearing today. It is a buildable coverage. It feels very lightweight. You know, I always recommend that the less that you put under your eyes, the better. That's where you start running into the issues of it looking cakey and that sort of thing. So I love putting just very light layers under my eyes. So this is great for that. I also like how it's a wand. So it's acting like a concealer brush. And the tip is similar to their concealers that I have. And I love how precise it is right on the very tip. So, because all I need is right in the very corner, because I'm not doing my whole under eye. I just need it right in that very inner corner. So very precise. It's a very creamy formula. I mean, I would say it's more of like a medium coverage. It's not a full coverage type of color corrector. It works really well under like any concealer that I've used. It works under all of them. It does contain hyaluronic acid, which is giving me a bit of luminosity under the eye as well, which I really enjoy that too. And I think there was also a dark pink shade, which will be more suitable for darker skin tones. So definitely a color corrector I would recommend for mature skin. So another product that has been getting top marks for me is by Covergirl. This is the Skin Enhancer Blush Balm. This is such a lovely product. I have it in the shade Nude Flush. Now what I did today is I intentionally did not put any bronzer on. So the shade that you see on my cheek right now, this is just the blush I have on. I didn't want any bronzer or anything skewing the look of the product. This has several different shades, but I instantly fell in love with this one. It's a shade I would normally gravitate to anyhow. So there's so many things, again, that I love about it. I love the convenience that it's a stick. I love that it's great for traveling because it's not a liquid. It gives me a beautiful, dewy, luminous look to my cheek. Super blendable, doesn't fade. And I wear this, again, for a long period of time throughout the day. It looks great from morning to night. It's one of those products I would recommend and say that it is mistake-proof. So if you're familiar with my videos, I don't usually apply products directly to my cheek. I prefer to use a brush. And I prefer with these type of products to use a dense brush. So this is just the BK Beauty 116 brush. So it has more of a dense head on it, which really helps stipple in the product. So I just take it onto the brush. And then another step that I will do, because you can see on the brush head how it's just concentrated in the middle there. So I'll take some and just apply it onto the back of my hand to spread it out. And you see how it disperses the product better. And then I just start applying it. You can certainly build it up to however much a color you usually like to apply to your face. It has jojoba oil, raspberry extract. There is no scent to this. I like how it doesn't feel like greasy on my face at all. And the nice thing about stick formulas and generally cream products, I find they don't crease, they don't look cakey. So really enjoying the convenience of this. Now another product that I have been just absolutely over the moon about, and you've seen it, I've been using it lots on my channel, so this won't be a shocker for you. But it's the Covergirl, the Prime and Refresh Nourishing Milk. This is such a great product, especially, I think, for mature skin. So several reasons why I like this one. I use it as a primer. So after I have applied all of my skincare products, even my sunscreen, I use this as a last step before I start going in with either my BB cream or my foundation. It does such a lovely job of priming the skin. It's made with ceramides, which is going to really help nourish the skin and plump it. It gives my skin such a beautiful, dewy look before I start going in with my makeup products. So I did apply it before I put my foundation on today. And then the other thing that I like about it is I use it as a refresher throughout the day, and it doesn't ruin my makeup. It's very lightweight. The dispenser is quite nice, and it leaves my skin dewy looking. So one of the things that I didn't do today is, you can see I didn't apply any powder. You can see that I look very fresh and dewy. I didn't want to apply any powder. That would have taken away from the true look of this. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit more, and I'll show you how it just refreshes my makeup up for the day. So I usually give it a good shake. And can you see how it gives some life to my skin? And there's been days where I've used this as a setting spray. It's just such a lovely product, and it doesn't have a scent to it at all. And it absorbs really quickly into the skin. And even the price point is pretty amazing for such a beautiful product. And then the last product is a lip product. Now, this was on my radar a little while ago. I had some viewers reach out to me and say, hey, have you seen the new Morphe Lip Lock lipsticks? And at that time, I wasn't able to get them here in Canada. So just as a little bit of background, the only place that we can get the Morphe products is Sephora here in Canada. Now, I know if you're in the States, you can get them from, I think it's Ulta. Now, for my Canadian viewers, I'll say that even though the Morphe brand is sold at Sephora, I would say that the prices are pretty comparable to drugstore prices now. And the timing was perfect because I had one of my fellow content creators, Tamara from Tamara's Timeless Beauty. Some of you may know her channel. She was doing a whole video on all the shades. She was testing them out, and it was right at the end of the Sephora sale, which was a few weeks ago. So I quickly watched her video and went onto the Sephora website just to see, have they got them in yet? And they did. It literally was the last night of the sale. So I quickly grabbed 2 shades of the Lip Lock products, and I have been so happy with them. So what I'll do is I will link Tamara's video down below. You can go watch all of the shades being swatched and everything. She does a great job of that. When I quickly went onto the website this morning, onto Sephora, it looks like some of the shades are sold out. But I will link them anyhow because they will come back in stock, I'm sure. So the 2 shades I picked up is the one that I'm wearing right now is called Cot Rose. So pretty. So I love the shade. One of the nice things about this is I very seldom even use a lip liner with these products. It doesn't migrate into any of my fine lines. I've had this on for several hours now. I was doing a bunch of things before I started filming, and look at how glossy they still are. And then the other shade that I grabbed is called Chain Reaction. That's this one right up here. They're just gorgeous. Now, a nice feature about this packaging is, so if you've ever tried a lip product and you twist it up, so you can hear like it's clicking, right, as you're twisting it up. When I've used products like that before, I can't get the product back down. It won't go back down. That is so annoying. These ones, they do. So you can see how high I have it up. And it goes back down. What? I was like sold just on that feature alone. They're so super glossy. Like, I love the shine. The longevity of the shade lasts way longer, and the glossiness. One of the recommendations they have for this is apply it to your lip and then let it sit for 2 minutes. And I think that really does help lock the color and the gloss in place. But they do feel very lightweight, and even though it looks really glossy, it's not sticky at all. And my lips feel just really smooth and nourished. So these are a big like A+++++. Love these. So I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing the 6 products that I think are just wonderful and fantastic for mature skin. So everything will be linked and listed down below in the description box, but I will also include some of the products that I am wearing today. I sometimes get questions about what maybe eye makeup I'm wearing today or what foundation, so I do try and include those as well. And I do have a question for my viewers out there. Do you guys like to see one brand makeup tutorials? Or one brand videos? I was thinking about it this morning that I could probably do like a Covergirl or a Maybelline dedicated video. Again, they're not sponsored. I just really enjoy the products. And if I think I can do a full face, then I really do enjoy making those. I had a L'Oreal one a while back that did really well for me. So let me know if you like one brand makeup videos, and I can certainly create those for you. Again, I'll say Happy Mother's Day to all the moms out there. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe if you're not already. And as always, I hope everybody has a great week and a great life, and I'll see you all very soon in my next video. Bye!